A key to great renders in Inventor is to use perspective so that your models look more realistic. And you can set your field of view by clicking on Control, Shift, and F3, and then dragging up and down until your preference is set. From here, it's a simple case of getting your model into the orientation that you're looking for, which you can do by using Pan and Orbit commands. And once we're ready, we can hit the Ray Trace command. Our model will go away and start ray tracing based on the environment and materials applied. In this instance, we've sped the video up, so you'll see the second counter showing around 1,000 seconds to get our render to the state that we see on screen. And once we're happy with our render and we're ready to export it, we can click the Save button and export out an image, and we can then share that image with our customer as the final render.